The main thing is at the bottom. I did some work to find out what online Python resources there are, what online resources there are for learning about programming in Python. And I found there's a very, very interesting spread. On the one hand, you have things like Coursera, where you can take a course on learning Python or learning how to program. 40,000 people took it the first time. That's a lot of people. And at the other end, you've got the European Scientific Software, I think it's called Boot Camp or something like that, where people meet for 2 weeks and there's about 20 people going each year. So this is an enormous spread of Python skills, Python resources needed. So that's really the thing that I'd encourage you to go ahead and look at sometime if you're interested. But let me give the rest of the talk. Who am I and why am I here? Well, I know who I am, more or less, and sometimes I surprise myself. And I think that's the answer we've looked from everybody. I more or less know who I am. And why am I here? Well, we're here to help each other, actually. Now, specifically, I'm an amateur mathematician. I work at the Open University, very big in distance learning, and I'm on the organising team for the UK PyCon. Why I'm here specifically, well, I've been using Python for over 10 years, and about 2 years ago I realised that there are quite a few basics that I didn't understand. I mean, things that are elementary, perhaps elementary like elementary particles, which are nothing like, but I didn't understand how to subclass built-in types, I didn't understand something called meta-classes, quite a few things I actually didn't understand. And what happens when you're programming is you can get into a rut and you don't think about what you're doing. You get used to solving a problem in a particular way. And I found I was doing a lot of that, and that it was really, it's like having a cramped muscle when you don't know it, and twist the whole thing. Massive online open courses are going to make a big difference in higher education. I don't know that it will affect the scientific community, but it will affect the feeders. So that's it, really. I won't be here, I'm leaving after supper, so if you need to talk to me, do it after dinner tonight, before dinner tonight. And that's it.